Oh yeah, this is gonna be easy. You can get over the. Maybe you can go for another one.
Why not?
Break your leg over.
Daddy!
You want to try and get it all the way down to this?
Ah!
Yep, that's where you want it. You'll have to be more stable, baby. Trust me. Put that foot down here. Won't be big break.
Oh my god.
Come on, little big man.
I saw you fall down.
Help me down. Let's go.
Down.
Franco!
In the middle
Franco,
of the
come on.
field, I watched you fall down. What happened?
I tripped on something and Dad was trying to beat me and there was stuff in there.
And you fell down and did you hit your head on the ground?
No. No.
She wiped out in the middle of the field. I got it on video. Oh my gosh, whenever she was trying to chase you up there, it's hilarious.
No, didn't even cry, did you?
Ugh.
I thought she was, what about little man?
He can figure his own way home.